Hello, in front of me I've got Lexus NX200t. In this video we'll talk about common problems of this car. The Lexus NX200t is generally reliable, but like any other vehicle it has some common issues. Here are the most reported problems. Firstly, we've got turbo lag and acceleration hesitation. Some owners notice a delay in power delivery when accelerating, especially from stop. Using premium fuel and regular ECU updates from Lexus can improve responsiveness. Next, we've got harsh or jerky transmission shifts. The issue is the 6-speed automatic transmission can feel jerky or slow to downshift in some cases. Again, software updates from Lexus dealership or adaptive driving habits can help smooth out shifting. Next, we've got infotainment system and remote touch issues. The remote touch interface is not user-friendly and can be distracting while driving. Some users report screen freezing or lagging. Again, software update can help. Next, we've got premature battery drain. Some owners report battery draining faster than expected, especially in cold weather. Ensure all interior lights and electronic are turned off when parked. Consider a high-quality replacement battery. Next, squeaky or noisy brakes. Some drivers experience squeaky or grinding noises from brakes even with decent path life remaining. Regular brake cleaning and lubrication can help. If noise persistent, consider switching to higher quality brake pads. Next, we've got dashboard and interior rattles. Some owners complain about rattling noises from the dashboard and doors over time. Adding rubber padding or felt tape in problem areas can help. Dealerships may fix severe cases under warranty. Next, we've got suspension noise or wear. Some report clanking sounds from the front suspension over bumps. Premature wear on front skirts or control arms is possible, especially in areas with rough roads. Is it still a good buy? Yes, the NX200t is generally reliable and most of those issues are minor or preventable. Regular maintenance and software updates will keep it running smoothly. If buying used, check service records and test drive to spot any transmission lag or suspension noise. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.